Hey guys, this is going to be a new series that's a lot less premeditated and more of a way to revisit stocks that have previously made a huge move, and then show you guys how you should trade them if something like that were to happen again. So let's get into it. Yellow, this is a continuation of trade theory number one. Same stock, so we're approaching that high of 795. Excuse me. But then we attempt to reclaim the highs here, and we approach a seller that's already a 50,000 share, but it increases here pretty dramatically. There's the big number. Let's see if we can see it one more time. Oh, it's gone. There it is. So a 100,000 share seller. That's an issue. We are overextended. My initial thought is to wait for a pullback on the 5-minute chart, look for a 5-minute setup, potentially look for a flash dip, but that seller and this overextended chart makes me want to just sit on the sideline. So let's skip through. Potential areas of dip buying support is at 750 right now. If I pause it, we have this 9 moving average coinciding with the 750 support. So 735 potentially is the area it wants to pull back to before it retests 750, as that coincides with this high of day. So potentially under 750 all the way down to 735 if we don't see any strength or it doesn't do a clear double bottom, yada yada yada. So let's see what it does. So it does come down to 750. My old self clicked buy, ignore that. So it breaks 750 here. Can we get a double bottom here? Let's go back, sorry. So we break 750. I'm looking for a reason to buy. Bid's not double bottoming anywhere. Potential support there at 40. Can we reclaim 40? Can we hold here? No. So that was a potential area to buy. Watching under 735 to adding at 31. Looking for that retest of 50. Pull back to 28. Stopping out 27. 1 cent loss. And now this is pulled back pretty dramatically. So I'd be interested maybe at under 7, but I'd be waiting on the sideline for a clear setup. So let's wait. Let's see what it does. Bounces off 7. 5-minute candle is going to close in 18 seconds. We're bouncing off the lows here. Let's see what we can do. I'd like to see it retest $7 on this new 5-minute candle. Let's see what happens. Here's the new candle. Can we pull back? Are we going to pull back? Doesn't look like it, adding at 27. Looking for that squeeze back up to 750. Oh, taking profit there. Now watching, can it hold to 750? Watching, adding at 60. Looking for that continuation. Up through 75. Can we get the break of 75? It's selling right there at 72 as I saw that giant seller approach. So here's that 100,000 share seller back at it again. Watching to see what it does on this new 1-minute candle. We have 3 seconds till it closes. If it retests 750, it could be an area of support. Here's a new 1-minute candle. This is a technical actually setup. If we're on a candle like this, we're looking for a continuation of this move. So you would be looking for a candle that starts out like this and potentially has a wick towards the high. So it bottoms out there at 60. Let's play that back. So Let's watch how it handles 60 cents. So it comes down to 60, 62, 60. It looked like it was just about to break 60, but bids increased, and we got green on the tape, so clicking buy there, 64. Looking for that continuation through the high of this wick and the break of 75. We want to see if we can break that seller. Pulling back to 71 on the bid, 70. 70's holding, looking for that break through 75. Taking profit there at 80 or 79. Can it hold towards the highs here? It's still moving up. I want it to pull back. The pullback just took 10 cents off. Too much of a pullback at the moment. Potential reversal here with two topping tails. Watching for a dip. Can it hold here at 71? No, a lot of red. Are we going to break 50? Yeah, adding at 43. I'm going to let this pull back to 735. I want to catch this bottoming tail here on this 1 minute candle. Pull back at that last, I can't see it, but around 730, so our stop out's under 730. Looking for that break back over 750. Taking profit there over 750. Can it hold? Adding 55. There's 67, 69. Looking as we have on the 1 minute chart, we have three topping tails, so anything close to 75 is going to be good profit. Taking profit there at 71, 72. Can it hold towards the high here? I'm not really interested. I want to see if we can break over the high of this wick here. I'm just going to let it do its thing. It's a little too overextended for me at the moment. So I played this dip back here poorly, but besides that, most things are in order. So it looks bullish right now. Can we hold towards 770? Can it hold here? No. So could have added there at 770. Look for that push higher with the stop under 70. Watching for it. Can it hold 50? Adding 52. It was close. There's 65. I want to see if we can catch that bottoming tail on this 1 minute candle and that push higher, that continuation through $8. So I'm in at 52. There's 70. Looking for the break of 795, or the break of this wick actually. Pulling back to 58 on that pullback. 58 again held. Looking for that continuation, the first 1 minute candle to make a new high and that break through this level. There's 80, looking for that break of 80 and that test of this high of day, or this high move up here on the 5 minute chart. Can we break 80? Can we do it? Can we do it? Yes, taking profit there at 85, 87. Can it hold here at the highs? Adding 90. Looking for that continuation through the high. There's 95. Looking for that breakthrough 8. Potential here to hold on to your move if it breaks 8. Here's 92 in the pullback. Stop out under 92. Potential here to take profit if it breaks. So could take profit, could hold here, as this is just if you take a look at this chart, it's gone from $1 or 2 to 8. So, you're at the height of the move again. Probably want to ride this way, but if you did take profit, let's see if it can hold 8. Watching, nope. Can we get back above 8? There's 790 on the pullback. Oh, what a rejection. So hopefully you did take profit in this theoretical world. Can it hold towards the low of that pullback for the second pull, like the double bottom here? Adding at 55. There's 65, 70. We're into the market open now. We're at 89, so I've added at 55. Looking for that break back over 8. Taking profit there at 810. Can it hold at 815? Looking for that continuation. There's 820, 825, 830. Looking for the break of 850. Can we get the break of 850? It's not pulling back at all right now. It's taking profit at 80. Can it hold? Adding at 90. Holy moly. 80 is below the pullback, stopping out under 80, taking profit over 9. I might have taken profit too early. Watching, can it hold? Adding 40 in there at 40, looking for that continuation through 950 and potentially into a halt. There's the break, taking profit there at 60 or 70. It's just snapping by 50 cents at a time. I don't want to click buy or it's too high. There's the huge seller wall. Low at 950 on that pullback and hold 950. Potential to add there at 10. This is so choppy here. So much volume. Potential to add there at 10 again. Yeah, into the halt level at 1098. Alright, that'll be the end of the video, but that momentum at the end is just absurd.